Hey, what's up everybody? Young Flux back for another video. Today it's a cold day here, so I'm just huddled up inside working on some website stuff. So I thought I'd take you guys along in some of the process and how I do some of this stuff. So today I'm going to be remaking the Young Flux website, which is my own music website, and I'm going to be making it using WordPress, and I'm going to be using GoDaddy hosting. I'm going to be making videos in the future on how to set up a GoDaddy hosting with WordPress. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is go to my applications browser here, and I'm going to find the WordPress application. I'm going to click up here in the top right, install this application, and once it loads here, I'm just going to choose the domain that I want to install this application on. For me, it's going to be youngflux.com. I'm going to choose no directory, I just want it right on youngflux.com. I'm going to do the automatic update, but only to minor versions and security releases. I'm not going to have it automatically update to any new version. Same with the plugins. I'm going to do not automatically update plugins, do not automatically update themes, and I'm going to leave it on create a backup and automatically restore if the backup fails. My GoDaddy plan allows for this, so I'm going to just check it off. Here I'm going to put the administrator username and password. For this I'm just going to put Young Flux, and for the administrator password I'm going to type in my password. Then for the email here I'm going to put in my email. I'm going to fill out the website title and the tagline, and then I'm going to click install. Alright, so once you click install, it'll say a task is currently processing up here. That is your WordPress app currently being installed on the GoDaddy server. Alright, so once your WordPress application is installed on your GoDaddy server, you'll be able to find it in your applications list here. I'm just going to click on the youngflux.com/WP admin link, and that's going to be your WordPress admin panel where you can manage your website from. It's going to ask you to choose a starter template. I'm just going to choose a random one because I already have a theme in mind that I'm going to be using in the end anyways. So I'm just going to choose the first one that comes up. I'm just going to fill out all the options there and then click install template, and it'll load here and go installing your template. Once your theme is installed here, it'll open it up in the WordPress admin panel, and in the top left you'll see the name of your website. Just hover over that and click dashboard. And there you have it guys, there's your WordPress management dashboard. This is where you can manage your site from, and you can add different plugins and themes to customize your website. I'll be having videos in the future on how to do that. Check my next video will be on how to add a theme to your website, and then from there we'll go on into adding plugins and how to customize your site from there farther. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload those videos. Thanks so much for watching guys. Peace.